In this lesson, we're going to solve an equation that looks like a quadratic, but not the conventional quadratic that you're used to seeing. We just got finished solving equations in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Notice this equation looks very similar, but instead of an x squared and an x, we have an expression x plus 2 squared plus 11 times x plus 2 minus 12 equals 0. We are going to make this equation look like this by using U-substitution. We're going to let our expression x plus 2 equal u, or u equals x plus 2. Every time we see x plus 2, we're going to substitute the letter u, the variable u. So that would get us u squared plus 11u minus 12 equals 0. Notice we have a quadratic u squared plus 11u minus 12 equals 0. That is easily solvable by factoring because the coefficient of u squared is 1, so all we have to do is find factors of negative 12 that add to 11. You can do that simply by splitting up u squared into its two factors, u and u. The two factors of negative 12 that are going to get us positive 11 are going to be positive 12 and negative 1. We can quickly check to make sure we factored that correctly by doing u times u to get your first term, u squared, 12 times negative 1 to get your negative 12, and then check your middle terms, 12u, negative 1u, add those together, 12 plus negative 1 is positive 11, which we have. So we factored that correctly. Now, because of the zero product property, we can set each factor equal to 0 and solve for our solution for u. U plus 12 is equal to 0, and u minus 1 is equal to 0. We can simply subtract 12 from both sides to get u equal to negative 12 and u equal to 1. We are not quite finished because we aren't solving for u. The original equation has x plus 2 in it. So we have to go back and substitute what we said u was. U was x plus 2. So in place of this u, I'm going to substitute back x plus 2 equals negative 12. And I could do this to this factor as well, to this solution as well. X plus 2 is equal to 1. Now we can solve for x. X equals negative 12 minus 2, so x is negative 14, and x is equal to 1 minus 2, which is negative 1. These are your two solutions to this example.